kayak anchor is specially designed to keep your craft from drifting in the water while doing things like fishing. The ideal kayak anchor will be small enough to transport and will be especially useful for angling. Most models on the market are standard foldables and have similar features and specifications. However, some differences can be found in weight and rope length. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 kayak anchors on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Extreme Max 3006.6782 Boat, Hector. The Extreme Max is a reliable red anchor featuring a durable marine-grade market buoy. It is easy to use and accessible to kayakers. The Extreme Max kayak anchor works best in shallower waters as it features a short 25 hollow braid polyethylene anchor line with steel snap hook. It is ideally suited for use in coral, rocky, or heavily weeded bottom conditions. Specs and features. 4 fluke anchor. Weight, 3.5 pounds, 1.6 kilograms 25, 7.62 m, of anchor line. Made from galvanized steel. Easy to use and attach to kayak. Things we like. Anti-rust anchor. Reliable fluke system, easy to spot color on anchor and buoy. Things we don't like. Short anchor line. Small buoy. Carabiner might need switching. Number 2. Gradient Fitness Marine Anchor. The Gradient Fitness kayak anchor has a fluorescent green color so you can easily spot it in the water. The Gradient Fitness kayak anchor features a 4-fluke, fluorescent design but only has a 25 meters anchor line, making it shorter than most other anchors on the market. That said, it does come with an easy-to-spot white PVC buoy and a stylish storage bag for storage. Specs and features. 4 fluke anchor. Weight, 3.5 pounds, 1.6 kilograms 25, 7.62 m, of anchor line. Folds into a 12x3 size. Has rust-resistant properties. Things we like. Fluorescent fluke color stylish storage bag. White buoy. Things we don't like. Anchor line quality. Number 3. Best Marine Boat Anchor. Best's motto is to help people find inner peace and purpose through kayaking and boating. According to them, this anchor allows you to stop, connect with nature and soak in its surrounding beauty. The Best Marine and Outdoor Kayak Anchor features a lock system that reinforces the flukes for more stability. It is made of rust-resistant galvanized iron and includes an extra long 40 feet marine-grade anchor line, a nylon storage bag, a buoy ball, and a stainless steel carabiner clip. Specs and features. 4 fluke anchor. Weight, 3.5 pounds, 1.6 kilograms 40, 12.2 m, of anchor line. Made from rust-resistant galvanized iron. Has a lock system for reinforcing flukes. Things we like. Solid fluke system. Long high-quality anchor line. Carabiner included for convenience. Effective lock system for fluke reinforcement. Things we don't like. Small buoy. Number 4. Compact anchor kit for kayak. The Pelican kayak anchor is galvanized, rust-resistant and easy to use. This kayak anchor is suitable for any environment and opens to catch onto the floor bottom. That makes it convenient for storing it in the kayak, and at 3 pounds, it's also lighter than most other anchors. The Pelican kayak anchor comes with a convenient storage bag, making it portable and easy to store. It has a reliable and effective fluke system that catches on coral and rock, immobilizing your kayak. The kayak anchor line of this kayak anchor is short at just 20 feet, making it suitable for shallow water. Things we like. Strong anchor line. Effective fluke system. Things we don't like. If tied to a kayak with a lot of baggage, it may be too lightweight to hold it in strong currents. Short anchor line. Number 5. Gilly kayak anchor. The Gilly Sports kayak anchor is a 3.5 pounds 4 fluke folding anchor that is compact enough to carry on your SUP and kayak and comes with its own anchor line, buoy, and convenient carry bag. The Gilly Sports kayak anchor comes with a white buoy for easily spotting the anchor and has corrosion-resistant properties and will last you a long time. It has an anchor line of 30 and can be easily stored in the include durable storage bag. Specs and features. 4 fluke anchor. Weight, 3.5 pounds, 1.6 kilograms 30, 9.14 m, of anchor line. Folds into a 12x3 size. Has corrosion resistant properties. Things we like. Corrosion resistant anchor. Vibrant anchor line color. Things we don't like. Small storage bag. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.